Hello, two-stroke fans. My name is Steve Buffel, and I'm the design engineer at BRC Motorsport. And today we're doing a little video from my office, or the design headquarters of BRC. And I wanted to give you guys a little rundown on the Yamaha R600 retrofit kit that I've been working on. And this one's been long anticipated and has started and stopped numerous times due to other projects on the go. But I can honestly say that we're on this full steam ahead and looking forward to bringing this engine to you guys shortly. So on my screen here, you can see we have a laser scan of a 2014 Yamaha R6. And this kit is designed to retrofit into a 2007 to 2021 model year. And as many of you might already know, the Yamaha R6 takes many cues from the YZR 500 GP chassis. Very lightweight, excellent handling, good track manners, and has a very long swing arm, which helps its handling. Part of that has created some design challenges due to the shortness of the chassis and the length of the swing arm. Normally Yamaha stacks up the transmission and doesn't have to worry about things like float bowls and space considerations in that regard. So we're now dealing with a two-stroke with expansion chambers and float bowl carburetors, and packaging has been a bit of a challenge. So I'll just give you a quick rundown here. You can see the engine here in the chassis. One side shows the side panel here. And one significant challenge with this particular retrofit is we're going to be using the Yamaha R6 transmission and clutch, but with that transmission we have to use the factory oil pump. And the main reason for this is that the transmission doesn't ride on needle bearings, it rides on shell bearings that rely on oil pressure to keep everything floating and lubricated. So that's created a deep sump in this engine, which has unfortunately burned up a bit of space, but nothing we couldn't overcome here. So I'm going to hide the chassis and just give you guys a little better view of the engine itself. So it's a 110 degree V-twin and uses reed valve intakes, and we can see the balance shaft on the bottom here. We can see there's an electric start mechanism. There's laser scans here of key-in carburetors and our own proprietary BRC cylinders, which are designed specifically for this engine, that use triple blade power valves for, improved bottom end performance. Call it street manners or torquey track power. And if we hide the cases, you can see that there is a crankshaft in there that is very typical of what you might see in a V-twin two-stroke engine. Here you can see the reed cages, unequal length intakes, but we've accounted for the difference in crankcase volume, so that should not present an issue. We're reusing the Yamaha water pump, and you can see a silhouette of the Yamaha R6 clutch cover here and all the transmission components. So it is a very tight package, but I've managed to make it work after numerous iterations. We're anticipating in simulations through EngineMod 2T approximately 160 horsepower and a significant reduction in weight. We believe a bike in track trim with all the good race bits, you could probably be as light as 265 pounds. Obviously, if you were planning on running this on the street, you'd be a bit heavier than that, but you could probably see weight savings easily around 80 to 90 pounds. So design is continuing. Majority of the layout is complete here. Oh, one thing I was going to mention is we're taking a different approach to liquid cooling this package, and we're going a little non-conventional here. We're including water inlets to the back of the cylinders We're going to flow cool water over the transfers and then over the exhaust. And once the water exits the exhaust, we're going to go up towards the cylinder head. So we're kind of going from cooler to hottest, which is ideal in our minds, and will probably provide the best performance. Coolant temperature is critical in 2 strokes, and the cooler that we can keep the cylinder and the intake charged, the more power we will make. So there you have it. Anyway, look forward to giving you guys more updates as time permits, and hopefully not much longer now.